This 2018 Heartland Mallard M28 is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. This used Heartland is 31 feet 6 inches in length and features 2 slideouts, sleep 6, skylight, air conditioning, auxiliary battery, spare tire kit, slideout, oven, awning, microwave, leveling jacks, water heater, and 52 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, front entertainment, front living area, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, rear bath, rear dinette, rear entertainment. The unloaded weight of this 2018 Heartland Mallard M28 is 6,125 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth, visit RVUSA.com.